What's happening, everybody? Welcome in, welcome back to the channel. Today we are transplanting our cauliflower that we grew from seed into our raised beds. Hang with me, we'll get to it. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for coming by. My last video, we planted our broccoli. You can't see it, but it's right here. Today, we're doing cauliflower. We started these cauliflowers from seed. We got a couple that are doing okay. I got one kind of weak one, so we'll see how that plays out. But we're gonna put these into our raised beds here. In this one, I got two that are growing. So I'm gonna plant those back here. And if you can see this, I got a broccoli right here. I'm gonna plant these at angles, so that way they're not right up on next to each other. Put a little sign in. All right, so same thing we did in the last video. We're gonna take these out. You gotta give them some support when you're pulling them out of here. So I'm trying to get these between my fingers here. That way I can tip it, squeeze the sides, so that everything comes out. And yeah, see, we're messing them up already. We're messing them up already. We might have just killed them. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna plant these kind of deep so it gives the roots in the lower part of the stem some support. So this is what we have so far. I probably killed it. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna plant it pretty deep, so it gives that root and that stalks. Some of the support that it's gonna need. Give it a light push down so that everything's kind of compacted a little bit. Now I'm gonna use the seed that was in my little planter there, the soil, because it has some nutrients in it still. From when I planted. So I'm just gonna put that around because it's still moist too. So we'll let that kind of drain a little bit. And our plant can take a little bit of that with it. All right, so this is our weak one, like really weak. So we'll see what happens with this one. We're planting, and these are snowball cauliflower. I tried these last year, no luck. Again, like my broccoli, I planted it late in the summer for a fall harvest, and it just didn't do so well. So we're gonna try it here in the spring, see what happens. I think I got little baby birds over here on the other side of the fence. I don't know if you can hear them peeping. You can see this one is pretty tall too. If you can see that, a little bit. So I want to give that thing some support, as much support as I can. All right, so that's that one. Then we got our last one here. And once again, we got two in this one. One's pretty strong, one's a little weak. So we're gonna do the same thing here. And again, these are supposed to be 1 per square foot, but I'm gonna try 2 and see what happens. So that we can plant it lower. or deeper. Give it a bunch of support. And then this one, the same thing. I know people are probably cringing at the way I'm doing this. I'm kind of cringing too. But the soil that I had these in these planters is pretty wet. So that's probably why they're weak. Too much moisture. So hopefully now these will kind of dry out a little bit, and they'll really be able to spread their roots. All right, so here's some close-ups. There's our cauliflower. They're looking pretty weak, but we'll see what happens. Just got to give them the right fertilizer. Check out your NPK. Get smart on that if you're not already. I appreciate everybody stopping by. I appreciate my subscribers. Thank you so much. As of this morning, I'm at like 71. So trying to hit that 100 subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Thank you, my subscribers already. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the thumbs up, all that good stuff. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. If you do, have a fantastic rest of your week and be good to each other.